Solve for x, the equation x minus 1 all over 32, x minus 1 all over root 32 is equal to root 2 all over root x minus 1. We're asked to solve for x. How do we go about that? X minus 1 all over root 32 is equal to root 2 all over root x minus 1. So the very first thing to do is to carry out cross multiplication. This denominator go and multiply that numerator. And look at it carefully. We have x minus 1, we have x minus 1. So we can write it as x minus 1 to the power 1 for this numerator multiplied to x minus 1 to the power half. Remember, square root means power half. Should be equal to root 32 multiplied to root 2. Okay. What law of indices are we going to use? A to the n times a to the m. That should give us a to the n plus m. Okay. We're going to use this law here. Look at the base. The base is x minus 1. The base is x minus 1. It's the same. Just like the base here is a, the base is a. So when the bases are the same and we're carrying out multiplication, all we need to do is to add the powers. So here we're going to say x minus 1 to the power 1 plus a half. 1 plus a half. All right. So we're going to have 2 plus 1, which is 3 all on 2. So we have x minus 1 to the power 3 all on 2 should be equal to, again, the law that we use here, root a multiplied to root b will simply give us root ab. They are all under the square root sign. These are all sets. A set multiplied to another set will just be the set of their product. So it will just be root 64, 32 times 2. And we know that root 64 is 8. So we have x minus 1 to the power 3 all over 2 is equal to 8. Now, what is this? Remember, if we want to write this in radical form, we will write it as, remember, all over 2 means square root. And then raised to the power 3. So the first thing to do is to remove the power 3. To remove the power 3 means we take cube root. The opposite of power 3 is cube root. All right, so we're going to have we're going to raise both sides to the power 1/3. Power 1/3 means cube root. So that we can see this 3 cancels with this 3. And so we're left with square root x minus 1 is equal to the cube root of 8, which we all know is 2. The cube root of 8 is 2. Now, to remove the square root, we do the opposite of square root, which is square. We square both sides. The square will always cancel the square root. We're left with x minus 1. 2 squared is 4. So from there, we take the negative 1 from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. It will become positive. So finally, our answer is x equals 5.